Today we will see how to grow gorgeous rain lilies from seeds with updates. So I have some 3-4 varieties of rain lilies, white, pink, yellow and these light color big flowers variety, and all of them produce seeds. I have a separate video on how to get more blooms in rain lily. Please do check it in case you haven't checked it yet.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I am Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening.
Alright, let's take out the seeds from the seed pod which is formed from the spent flowers. It opens up on its own when it's ready to harvest. Make sure you don't take out the seeds from the green seed pod, as you can see right behind this ripened one. Let it dry out, let it get ripened and let it open up on its own. Alright, let's take out the black color seeds gently from the seed pod now. We have got plenty of seeds from a single pod, as there are about 25 to 30 seeds in a single seed pod. Now let's prepare its potting mix. Now here I am taking garden soil and vermicompost. However, you can grow them in only garden soil also. Don't need to prepare a special potting mix, but I am mixing compost right here so that I don't need to add it for next couple of weeks. Now let's sow the seeds. Take a pot with good drainage holes. Keep few gravels at the bottom and fill it with the potting mix. And it's time to sow these seeds. Spread them nicely and cover them with a thin layer of soil again. Water it well and keep the pot in full sunlight. And within 7 to 10 days you will see many of them sprouting. You will see small seedlings peeping out of the soil. And this is how they look after 20 to 25 days. Now just keep it in full sunlight only and the foliage will keep growing. It won't go to dormancy. And in the next season, that is after 1 year, they will produce gorgeous flowers. And that time you can even separate them and multiply them to several other pots. So that's all for today guys. See you with one more interesting video.